Girl, don't be looking at me like that. First of all, don't do it. Don't do it. I know. I ain't posting in 4 weeks. I know. Don't be looking at me like that. I'm about to explain myself, okay? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today it's just like a whole little like life update, moving update for those y'all who don't know. I moved. Yes. I'm so excited, y'all. We moved to Atlanta. So yes, we are officially in Georgia now. It's been 2 weeks in Georgia, and I just wanted to give like my experience living here so far and just a little update, a little vlog for y'all and everything I've been doing here, and just a little update. So it's been 2 weeks living here. If y'all haven't seen all the craziness with moving, make sure to check out our vlog channel, because we vlog everything, family vlogs and stuff like that. I'll always link it down below, TT3TV. Go check us out. We almost to 60K, so help us get to 60K, okay? So we vlogged everything, but life just been crazy, girl. I'm 30 weeks today, so this pregnancy is just rolling along. I do plan on filming a bump date really soon, so stay tuned for that. But y'all can imagine being pregnant, almost there, okay, and moving. It's just been a lot. That's why I have not been able to like get back into beauty and lifestyle videos over on this channel. Everything is still in boxes. I am in my new beauty room. I still have not got nothing set up. Like, life just been crazy, okay? It's been 2 weeks of craziness, fun, and just excitement, and all of that wrapped into one. Yeah, so we moved to Atlanta. We are actually 40-50 minutes away from like downtown, midtown area, depending on the day, depending on traffic. Y'all know how that goes. We are up here in Lawrenceville, which is north of Atlanta. It's like a suburb of Atlanta. If y'all don't know, like Atlanta just has a bunch of suburbs like Lawrenceville, Sewanee, Roswell. They're different cities, but they're all like suburbs of Atlanta, if that makes sense. So we live in Lawrenceville, and I absolutely love it. I love it. It's so quiet. It is just so peaceful. It is so much space. Like, I love it. Like I said, it's only been 2 weeks, but so far so good. So yeah, a few things I love about living here so far is the weather. Definitely. I was from Michigan, born and raised. We just moved here from Kansas, Midwest. So y'all know the snow, the ice, just the freezing cold, all of that. I'm so used to that, but I was so ready for a change, and it's definitely a change here. It still gets cold, but it's just such like moderate weather here. Like, it's February and I've been chilling. Like, I did bring the snow with me, okay? Y'all probably seen that. I brought the snow with me. It snowed one day and then it cleared up. So I brought the snow, okay? But other than that, it's been nice weather, just like jacket weather, like, yes, sunny. It's been definitely rain. It rains a lot here, which I'm noticing, but I've been loving the weather here. Like, for real, it's such a drastic change from Kansas, from north. It's beautiful here. I love it, love it, love it. I would take the rain over snow any day, okay? I love being close to Atlanta, like just being close to things to do. Not even like, I don't even have to go to Atlanta to find things to do. I've just been staying up here on the north side of things, okay? And I done found a lot of things to do. Another thing I love about living here is the food. I'm near a juicy crab. I'm near, I can't contain myself when it comes to the food here. I have been loving the food here. Like, y'all, I'm in heaven right now. Coming from Fort Riley, where there's really like nothing over there, and coming to the dirty south, the good food, girl. So that's just a quick rundown of me loving Atlanta. I don't even have nothing negative to say. Even the traffic is not that bad. I want to talk about that too, because a lot of people will tell you, like, when you not used to living, you know what I'm saying, in a place like this, because I'm not used to it. I'm from Flint. Like I said, that's a small town. We just moved here from the middle of nowhere, so I'm not used to traffic, but it's really not that bad. I guess it might be something some people have to get used to, but for me, I'm used to visiting big cities and everything, and it's really not like that terrible. The worst I've seen the traffic is like 3 to 6 p.m. trying to go like downtown Atlanta, trying to go to the airport, midtown. Girl, now that is bad. That's bad right there. But really, other than that, it haven't been like painfully like unbearable, like I cannot live like this. It haven't been that bad. Like when we went to the Bronners Show, traffic wasn't too bad. It was just traffic, but it wasn't like horrible for me. I guess you got to be like a certain type of driver too, to drive with crazy people and drive with traffic. I feel like I can do it because I drive a little bit crazy too. So I really can't say anything like really horrible about living here. I love it. So that's my 2-week review. Okay, 2-week update of living here. I don't want to hold y'all up and talk too much. I really want y'all to go ahead and enjoy this vlog because I did do a few things here already. I went to the Trap Museum, Bronners Show, and had such a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the vlog roll. Okay, I will catch y'all when I catch y'all. Once I get my space set up, I'll definitely be back to posting videos. So I will see y'all in my next one. Peace out.
I'm gonna cry and I link with the plugs that I met one more time if these labels don't.
Never been right down the air price, all right? We were, you can wait in the moment. Yeah, don't worry, I got you. Somebody else tag us, it's by that pink car. If you're under 21, grab your drink at that bar, okay? If you're under 21, you better grab you some juice and some water, period.
Okay.
Very good. Break you back.
All right. Oh, shoot now. It's Granny's house. Granny's house got all the goods.
On the back wall, I got trap bread, baby.
Cardi B. She forgot their name.
It's open in the back for you alcoholics. We don't judge. We don't beat you
I'm dead. Granny house is the spot, okay? She said it'd be a homicide. Your grandma.
You know we had to do it. We had the ATM.
This is so crazy. I've seen this like online, but it's like being here is so crazy.
I thought you was really about to do.
You thought about the fucking move. I thought I was too. Alright, y'all, I had shoes like this. What? They was from a corner store. They weren't real, but I had some shoes like this in middle school. What's up, y'all? So I'm sick. I am so sick. I left my memory card at my house. So I was supposed to be getting a whole, vlogging today. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to just vlog on my phone because I did not want to not capture this moment. First time at the famous Trap Music Museum, which was so dope. Literally dope. It was cool. It's more, I thought it was bigger for some reason, but it's like really small. It's really just like a place to take pictures. I feel like just like photo ops everywhere. Don't get me wrong, it's a nice museum, like all the art in there, the information, and just the history of like trap and trap music was super dope. You can't do it. Let me see, baby. Let me help you out.
I help you out.
Let me help you out, Tooties.
I help you out.
You help me out? Okay. Did y'all have fun at the Trap Museum? Yep. Did you have fun, Isaac? Isaac's talking about he had fun in jail. You had fun in the jail? Yeah. And we are downtown Atlanta. The traffic honestly wasn't that bad today. We got here pretty quick. And I don't know what we about to do next. What we about to do? Say what up.
We finna go to Lenox Square.
Oh,
We finna go to Lenox Mall.
Lenox Mall, anything. About to see some famous people maybe. I don't know. You ugly. Alright, so we just gonna meet at the mall? Okay. Maybe we see some famous people because they said you can see famous people here, so maybe we'll run into some celebrities at the Lenox. It's supposed to be like the, you know, fancy mall that people in Atlanta go to. So we're gonna check it out. It's 5:34. I'm getting sleepy. I cannot hang. I don't know how I'm gonna do this hair show tomorrow. What'd you say it's called? The Trap Shack.
Trap Shack.
So they was
in Atlanta.
Yeah, they got food right out here.
He said it's a Trap Shack ATL.
Wow, that looks so good.
On Instagram.
Oh my god. It is fancy out here. Oh, go ahead, boo.
Hey, y'all
Oh, we fixed the park. This is the Lenox Mall. Ooh, it's fancy here. So first of all, I know y'all seen that snow. The Michigan people brought the snow. It's time for y'all to go.
It's gone now.
Look, I brought the snow too.
No, it's gone.
From the Midway. Yeah, it's gone now, but it was snowing this morning. What's up? Say hey to my sister. Let me introduce you to my vlog because we both vlogging together. Y'all go subscribe. I'm going to start my vlog, you guys. True. We all do YouTube. I have a channel. It's Tiana Deshay. Tiana Deshay. So make sure y'all go subscribe, follow me, whatever. Go follow my sisters. Brandy, y'all know he got a YouTube too. Brandon, Siobhan. Brandon Siobhan Artistry. You need to be vlogging your trip to the Bronners Show. Yours, Brandon. Oh, but this is my sister. For those of y'all who don't know, we got a lot of new subscribers. This is my oldest sister. What's up? And we also got a youngest sister. It's 3 of us. Yes. And yeah. So my hat is going away. Look at us. Yeah, people used to think we was twins. We look alike. But anyway, we at the Bronners Show. So excited. Yeah, I gotta show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna have Tiana record me. I think I'm cute today. Stepping out. Real cute. Sexy mom with the kids. Got daycare here. They got on-site daycare, so I get a little bit of a kid-free day, even though we ain't gonna be here for a long time because we got out pretty late. Had a late start on today, but we still get like 3-4 hours into the show in. But I just can't stay for the after stuff because, you know, it's no kids allowed. It's no kids allowed to the nightly event, so I'm gonna have fun while I can. Huh? What you want to do, Isaac? You want to do the walk. Come on, walk. Said he want to walk by himself. All right then, big boy. You want to go where? Oh, yeah, we're moving. I don't know why I feel sad. Even though my babies, we gonna be right in the same building. They up here on the 3rd floor. I'm about to be right down here. But I just feel sad because they don't, you know, they don't know them people. But they was real nice. I, you know, made sure to meet everybody and everything. And I feel, I guess, a little more comfortable about daycare nowadays because Al can talk and everything. And, you know, I mean, they both can talk. So it looked fun in there. They just got like a big room, little baby section where the baby's sitting in little playpens, can't even talk, playpens playing. They got them some snacks going on, movie, toys everywhere. So it looked cool in there. I think they're gonna be all right and have fun. So here I am, y'all. I can't believe I'm at the Bronners Show. I've never been to this hair show. I've been to like 3 other hair shows in my life, like in cosmetology school. But this is my first time at the Bronners Show, and I'm so excited.
Football love and yo, real shit. Yeah. People try to bring you down when you growing up. Niggas ain't even like me, dog, when I was growing up. But sure enough, now these niggas wanna pick with me. Guess I got tired of the same niggas tryna pick with me. And bro, I meant that for the bottom of my soul. I can't let them niggas ever think they ever eat me whole. Hold up, I know they think I'm fruity like a fucking fruit roll up, but I put them comments in my weed, shawty, just roll up. I let the smoke come in and clear a better way. That's Novocaine, numb the pain away. I see she real tired, see her money in her back ache. Shit ain't been the same since they shut down back page. Shut down our black page, sis, how you holding up? I really want some bundles, I can get them if my ad was up. Damn, that's crazy, but listen, I got you, baby, I got you. So that bring that nigga over here, tell him park in the rear. We gon' get them keys, shawty, you deserve it, all you hear. This is our year, it's our time. You been going too hard, I'm stopped before that finish line, yo. And you can always get your money, but can never get your words back. Words have power, man, if that's the case, I got a big stack. I speak that shit, I speak that truth. I smile so hard to hide what I've been through, you heard? I learned my lesson, I can't love you, shawty, you gon' fuck up my progression. Resent all you, shawty, now my heart is like a weapon. It kills when I'm hungry, please tell me, God, why I'm hungry when I'm always lonely. Man, I feel like niggas wanted too much, but I want me enough. Yo, man, that shit is kinda tough. Yo, when your love turn to lust, man, how you do that? You I been flew that, yeah, out the ballpark. Now I'm running into these walls, man, trying to catch your heart. Yo, man, I'm done with these niggas, yeah. It's just we bout to have some fun with these niggas, yeah. Go add it up, man, that's the funds on these niggas. You Beyonce and I'm Hov, we on the run for these niggas, yeah. Locked up for smoking, bad location. First time locked up, man, I was so impatient, but that shit, it taught me patience. Now I think twice about the choices that I'm making. I can't fuck with them niggas who never giving.
Oh my God, I'm tired. I think I forgot I was pregnant out here. I think I forgot. I think I forgot. I'm tired, my feet hurt. This one, as Brandon would say, had to get walked like a dog. I had to walk him. I had to walk because he was acting a whole fool. Got some of my lipstick off because he done banged his head into my head. I had to walk him. I had to walk like a dog. Okay.
That's the DA.
That's a who?
I'm finna turn you in.
The DA.
I know you up to something illegal.
Shut up. But yeah, it's a wrap. I got some stuff though. Where's my bag? Oh, look, I got a bag full of stuff. I didn't really get everything I wanted, but my feet was hurting so bad. I was so tired. Like, oh my God. Normally these shoes is comfortable, but girl, I got a whole load right here, so it don't feel the same. But all in all, that was so dope. Come on, let's go.